Understanding productivity, a comprehensive guide. Productivity is a critical concept in economics and business, reflecting the efficiency with which resources are converted into goods and services. It plays a pivotal role in evaluating the performance of economies, industries, and individual companies. This article delves into the various facets of productivity, its measurement, types, and its importance in contemporary work environments. What is productivity? Productivity quantifies the output of goods or services against the inputs, resources, time, and effort, used in the production process. It is often represented as a ratio that indicates how effectively labor, capital, and materials are utilized to generate output. In the United States, the government primarily focuses on labor productivity, which is calculated as the ratio of gross domestic product, GDP, to total hours worked. This metric allows economists to analyze workforce efficiency across different sectors, offering insights into trends related to job growth, wages, and the impact of technology. Key takeaways. Productivity measures output per unit of input. Productivity growth is linked to improvements in wages, corporate profits, and living standards. It is crucial for measuring efficiency and forecasting economic performance. Understanding productivity. Economists regard productivity as a vital component for economic expansion and competitiveness. An increase in a country's productivity typically leads to enhancements in its citizens' standard of living, indicating that the economy's output increases without necessitating additional work hours. This growth often results from innovations in technology, better production processes, favorable working conditions, and overall improvements in capital. Policymakers and economists analyze productivity growth to understand potential economic cycles, capacity utilization rates, and inflationary pressures. Understanding the nuances of productivity helps stakeholders make informed decisions about investments and workforce management. Types of productivity measures. 1. Labor productivity. Labor productivity is the most reported measure and is established by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The ratio of GDP to the total hours worked in the economy serves as the basis for this analysis. The growth in labor productivity can emerge from heightened capital per worker, improvements in workforce skills, and technological advancements. 2. Total factor productivity, TFP. Total factor productivity gauges output growth not attributable to labor or capital accumulation, referred to as the Solow residual. It is crucial in assessing the contributions of various factors, such as managerial and technological innovations, to economic growth. 3. Capital productivity. Capital productivity evaluates how effectively physical capital is utilized to produce outcomes. By measuring the sales generated against liabilities of physical assets, businesses can identify areas where efficiency can be enhanced. 4. Material productivity. Material productivity assesses the output relative to the raw materials consumed. This measure emphasizes the efficiency of resource use during production, inspiring better practices for resource conservation and waste reduction. The role of investment in productivity. The correlation between productivity growth and investment is profound. When productivity stagnates, improvements in wages and corporate profits tend to decline as well. Investment drives productivity. Without adequate capital for innovation or infrastructure, productivity growth cannot be sustainably achieved. The impact of economic policies. Low savings rates can inhibit investment and subsequently stall labor productivity and wage growth. This scenario has led to discussions regarding the implications of quantitative easing and zero-interest rate policies that encourage consumption over saving. Productivity in the workplace. In a corporate context, productivity denotes the volume of work accomplished within a specific time frame. Various factors affect workplace productivity, including employee compensation, training, career development opportunities, and workplace well-being. To optimize personal productivity, individuals can utilize strategies like prioritizing tasks based on importance, tackling less enjoyable tasks first, and incorporating breaks wisely. For companies, productivity can be bolstered through goal setting, efficient meetings, and adequate task delegation. Essential components of individual productivity. 1. Strategy, the capacity to plan effectively. 2. Focus, the ability to concentrate on one task at a time. 3. Productive choosing, making informed choices about task prioritization. 4. Consistency, maintaining a steady work ethic and pace. Real-world example, Toyota's production system. Toyota's emergence as a leading automobile manufacturer is often attributed to its Toyota Production System, TPS. TPS emphasizes continuous improvement, standardized operations, and waste elimination, principles that have contributed significantly to its productivity levels. This model not only optimizes production but also sets a benchmark for efficiency across various industries. Conclusion. Productivity, while a straightforward concept, carries substantial implications for businesses, economies, and individuals. From measuring output against input to discerning the intricate factors that influence performance, understanding productivity is essential for sustainable growth and success. Embracing improvements in processes, technology, and workforce management can lead to enhanced productivity that benefits all stakeholders involved. As economies evolve and adapt to modern challenges, the focus on productivity will remain vital in shaping future economic landscapes while safeguarding living standards for all.